Hi guys, it's Sam and welcome back to the YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing all right. So in today's video, we're going to be giving you a guide on how to offer on your first property. Now, before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. It's free and that way you will always be here when we make an upload. Okay, so let's zoom you in and get started. Now look, it's true what people say about a house. You'll know when it's the right one by your gut feeling. You'll be able to imagine yourself living there, redecorating, getting exactly how you want it to be. But how exactly do we make an offer on the property? So the first step is to tell the estate agent of your intent. You like the house, you're ready to move in, you want to make an offer and start that journey. Now don't go in and start charging forward, telling them the full financial picture of how much money you've got in the bank, but you do need to make sure that the numbers stack up for you. So speak to your broker, double check interest rates, the monthly repayment, and check you have enough in those savings to ensure any costs are covered, like your solicitor, any additional surveys and things like that. Then you can make the offer in writing. Usually it's by email this day and age, confirming you'd like to make an offer for the amount that you're willing to pay. Now, there's no set rule book. The estate agent has to put every offer forward to the vendor. So make sure that if it is the one for you, it's an offer that's going to get the current homeowner thinking they want to sell it to you. So emphasize that position. First-time buyers are really attractive to sellers who want to avoid long chains and possible delays. Being a cash buyer also means you can move quickly. Now, if you sound like you're on the ball and you're keen to move soon, that's also going to help your case as well, because they're like, listen, these guys are really serious. So then at that stage, get ready for negotiations. If the seller is interested in the offer, negotiations are conducted via the estate agent. And if the offer is accepted, awesome. Ask for the property to be taken off the market. Agree with the agent a written list of which fixtures and fittings that you want to be included in the house. Have it in writing at the start of the process to reduce any chances of any disagreements or delays later in the process. Then that's where we come in and we'll help you finalize that mortgage application, checking the lender's interest rates are still suited to you. Now, if you want to know more about the whole process, then we do have a whole video breaking down the first-time buyer journey, so make sure you go ahead and watch that video. And if you do have any questions about today's video, then make sure you drop a comment below or give a member of our team a call. It's free and it's 01925 573 328. See you next time.